Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off notifications on Airbnb. Airbnb sends notifications for messaging, booking, promotions, and important account updates. Controlling these notifications help you stay informed without being overwhelmed. First of all, open up Airbnb app or website and log in by entering your credentials. From the home page, go to your profile icon, which is located at the bottom right or at the top right, and inside your profile section, click on Account Settings. Under Account Settings, tap on Notifications. If you have disabled your notification, it will show you Push Notifications are off at the top. In order to turn on Push Notification, tap on Go to Settings and then toggle on the button right next to Show Notification at the top. Once you do that, you will be able to enable notification setting. You can also turn on or off specific notifications. Scroll through the notification types and look for any notifications you don't want. For example, if you don't want notification for hosting insights and rewards, turn off the notification menu that says Show Notification under Hosting Insights and Rewards. You can go ahead and turn on or off notifications for each category depending upon your preferences. If you ever want to turn off notifications, then you can come back to the same page and tap on the Show Notification toggle menu on the right corner at the very top, and this will turn off all the notification from the app. So that way, you can easily change your notification preference in Airbnb application, whether you'd like to enable notification or disable it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.